Happy English.
Hello and welcome to Happy English. Let's learn the names of fruits. Listen and repeat.
Apple, apple.
This is an apple.
Peach, peach.
This is a peach.
Pear, pear.
This is a pear.
Banana, banana.
This is a banana.
Plum, plum.
This is a plum.
Apricot, apricot.
This is an apricot.
Nectarine, nectarine.
This is a nectarine.
Kiwi, kiwi.
This is a kiwi.
Papaya, papaya.
This is a papaya.
Mango, mango.
This is a mango.
Fig, fig.
This is a fig.
Coconut, coconut.
This is a coconut.
Avocado, avocado.
This is an avocado.
Cantaloupe, cantaloupe.
This is a cantaloupe.
Honeydew melon, honeydew melon.
This is a honeydew melon.
Watermelon, watermelon.
This is a watermelon.
Pineapple, pineapple.
This is a pineapple.
Grapefruit, grapefruit.
This is a grapefruit.
Lemon, lemon.
This is a lemon.
Lime, lime.
This is a lime.
Orange, orange.
This is an orange.
Tangerine, tangerine.
This is a tangerine.
Grapes, grapes.
These are grapes.
Cherries, cherries.
These are cherries.
Prunes, prunes.
These are prunes.
Dates, dates.
These are dates.
Raisins, raisins.
These are raisins.
Nuts, nuts.
These are nuts.
Raspberries, raspberries.
These are raspberries.
Blueberries, blueberries.
These are blueberries.
Strawberries. Strawberries.
These are strawberries. Now it's quiz time. What is this? This is a banana. What are these? These are cherries. What is this? This is a watermelon. What are these? These are strawberries. What is this? This is a pineapple. Well done, everyone! What is your favorite fruit? Tell me in the comments and see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.